How does Subby look? Oh, just ominously white.
She's just like a white box. Oh my god. Somewhere our rep is crying.
Can you see it in shot?
Yeah, just keep your clog where it is.
Clogs. Audio matters.
Ben.
Anna.
Thank you so much for joining us today, Ben.
More energy, more passion. What have we got? Talk to us.
We are talking about the Genelec Smart IP range today.
We've done a video on Smart IP before. Why are we expanding now?
We want to sell more of them now. Not enough people know about them.
And?
We would like to tell them about them.
And? There's lots more models.
There's more now.
There's also more,
There's more.
Correct.
We've got a pendant speaker, ceiling speaker, subwoofer, all still PoE, standard PoE or PoE Plus, all still running the Smart IP platform, single cable for deployment. They sound really good.
They sound epic. Every time we put them on, people are like, hold on a minute, this is all PoE. Crazy. A lot of music you listen to will have been mixed through these speakers. Very famous in the studio monitor world, but the Smart IP range are dedicated purely for install, so much more our market. We love them. I was crazily surprised by this actually. This is the secret weapon that we've been waiting for. It's a nice way to round out if you're using the 10s or the 20s, which are the smaller models. Rounding them out with a sub just gives you all that extra low end. It means you don't have to push the top so hard, but you get really, really full install sound, which is nice.
Dante and AES67 support as well.
New ceiling and pendant formats for open ceiling type formats, foyers, things like that. It's just nice. Now we've got like a complete range. We can put them pretty much anywhere.
We've got basically the whole range upstairs.
We love them that much, we put them everywhere.
I mean, they're a dream for install. Very easy to run, very easy to manage and look after.
Color-wise?
Black, white as standard. For the surface mount, you've still got the raw, which is the unpainted, and available in a full RAL range as well.
Eco-friendly.
Very,
and beautiful.
very beautiful.
All made in Finland. No outsourcing. All the components are sourced as locally as possible. I've been to the factory, it's stunning. These have all the exact same components as the 8000 series. The only difference is obviously these are PoE powered, so it's a slightly different amp module, and instead of an XLR input, which you find on the 8000, we've got a Euro block connector for analog, but RJ45 is the main method. And instead of the ISO pods, they ship with a wall bracket on these three. Thank you, Genelec.
Please buy them.
Happy?
No.